Right, today I'm going to be cleaning my car's leather interior. Now this car's done 91,000 miles, I've done the last 16,000 miles in it, and I've never cleaned the leather, so I've no idea when it was last cleaned, but you can see it's really quite shiny. The steering wheel is pretty awful as well, that's really shiny, so I'm going to use this Autoglym leather cleaner and the leather care balm afterwards, and we'll see what sort of results we get. I thought, why not do the typical online detailer, tape down the middle, see if we can't get some good before and after results. So this stuff, all you do is spread it on, and it says spray on quite a lot. I've actually just done one of the back seats first because I didn't want to mess it up on camera and look like a right noob. And I've just got a leather brush here, brush it in. This little trough in here is just full of little stains and stuff from where I've dropped all my food in there. Then all you do is wipe away with a damp cloth. Turning the cloth quite regularly, hopefully we'll see some good dirt coming out of this. Not as much as I thought, to be fair. And then we'll just wait for that to dry, and hopefully we'll get some nice before and after results. Well, that's dried up pretty quickly because it's a warm day, and that already looks so much better. It's nice and matte compared to this side, which is dead shiny. And if you've forgotten, this is the side I've done, and this is the side I've not done. So let's do the satisfying tape peel and see how that turns out. Oh yes. Would you look at that? Left a bit of sticky tape stuff on there, but that'll come off. Right then, steering wheel. I'm basically just going to do the same thing, spray it on, scrub away. Well, I'm really happy with that result so far. It already feels so much better to hold on that side than the other side, which is shiny and sticky and a bit rank really. The leather still does look kind of tired. It does look like it sort of needs some moisture in it, which will happen when we put the balm on. So hopefully it'll feel even better still when we do that. I've just done everything on the driver's side, and then we're going to put the balm on now. So this stuff you put a bit onto a cloth or a polish applicator, whatever that is, I don't have one of them. This is my polish applicator, so we're going to put a bit on there, rub it in, let it dry for a few minutes, and then buff it off with a microfiber. Now this is going to go back shiny for a little bit, but after that, when you buff it off, it goes back matte again, so. Right, that's that buffed off now. Now, apart from the steering wheel, which does look way better and feels way better, this seat's still kind of shiny, even though I've given it a right good buffing. Now, I have seen that if you sort of wait 24 hours or something, then it will sort of fully dry and cure or whatever, and look a little bit more matte. So we'll come back tomorrow and see what that looks like.
thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, whatever. If you've got a car that I can review, please send an email to furtherdrives@gmail.com. I'll put that in the description, or go and follow me and send me a message on Instagram, which is just @furtherdrives.